The ICEPURE Pro 4396508 replacement filter delivers very clean-tasting water by targeting a wide spectrum of common household contaminants, including many modern chemical residues. Its strong performance against heavy metals, especially lead and mercury, makes it a reassuring choice for families who are serious about safer drinking water. Multiple independent certifications for contaminant reduction, material safety, and low lead content provide confidence that this filter has been thoroughly tested rather than just lightly marketed. The filter housing uses food-grade bisphenol A-free plastic, which is an important detail if you are trying to avoid unnecessary chemicals leaching into your water. It is designed to fit a long list of Whirlpool, Kitchenaid, Kenmore, and compatible refrigerator models, so it is an easy drop-in upgrade for many existing fridges. Installation is straightforward and the flow rate remains strong, so you get clear, fresh water and ice without noticeable slowdown at the dispenser.